This is RV4 2015 Toyota RV4. Issue for this in this car, long crank issue. We have code P0343 P0368 P0343 P0368 cam sensor A and cam sensor B. Where is the location for cam sensor A and cam sensor B? In this video I will show you location for the cam sensor A, cam sensor B. Why this code appear? This is cam sensor B, this is cam sensor A. This sensor, the common failure for this car, when appear this code, you can see when rust the connector and this wire broke inside the connector. This is the common failure for Toyota new model car. Most common failure. This is sensor B, cam sensor B. This wire look like a good, but this wire is damaged. Now I change the connector. So before long crank issue. Now I check the car. Starting is good or same long crank. Running good. Only problem in this wire, if you have same code P0343, you only check the connector wire.